Good afternoon, and it's a beautiful bank holiday Friday afternoon. Probably the worst time to go out on your bike, especially if you're speeding, because there's loads of coppers out there. Anyway, that's not what I said. So today, I'm in the shed. I'm going to adjust the chain. I'm going to adjust the chain on the GSX S 1000 F if you're interested, with the fairing. Not that makes much difference to the chain. So crack this off like that. Usually I wind it right off, but someone on YouTube, I can't remember who, said about leaving it fairly tight so you keep the chain under constant tension when you're bringing it back, which makes perfect sense. Usually I wind it right off and then I end up putting a spanner or something in the chain to tension it while I change it, but I'm going to try that and see where I get to. So I'll just take off the lock nut on the other side. Just loosen that off a bit. I want a torch. There's the torch. There we go. And then I'll go roughly quarter of a turn on both sides, like that. Check the tension. What we got on here? Couple of mil before. A bit more than that. Right, I'll give that a little bit more. That looks a bit better. Looks the same both sides. I'll just see. Where the tight spot is. Somewhere there. Yeah, that's definitely loose. There's the tight spot. That feels good. Now just pinch it up. Hopefully nothing changes. Beautiful. So that's that then. Tighten up the adjusters, or the lock-offs for the adjusters. And that is that. That was a decent tip. I've not had to use a spanner in the chain like I normally do to tension it all up, because it's already under tension, because this was still fairly tight. Bolts have pushed it back successfully. Yeah, quality. Much easier. And they say you can't teach old dogs new tricks. Beautiful. And if anyone's wondering, is the worm I put in, and that's weeks old now. I haven't got an exact date, but it's definitely weeks old. And there you go. So if anyone tells you can't put a worm in and ride on it at speed for any length of time, they're probably right. But me, I don't mind it. I've done it before and I'll do it again. But yes, that's been in there weeks, and I don't experience any loss of pressure or anything. And of course, got to torque it up, haven't you? See how close I was. Not far out. There you go. All done. A lot easier than I normally do. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra.